Okay, now we're going to learn how to tell time using 5-minute intervals. So what that means is each number on the clock equals 5 more minutes. So remember the 12, 0 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 minutes. So anytime you get all the way around 60 minutes, it's been 1 whole hour. Okay, and if you see these little marks all equal 1 minute. So we could count all of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And eventually we would get all the way to 60 back at the 12. So right now, think about what time it is on my clock. So if our minute hand is pointing to the 5, you need to count by 5s 5 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it's something 25. Now the hour hand is between the 10 and the 11. Remember, we go to the smaller number. So it is 10, 25. Okay, and my hour hand moves a little bit each time. So then 10 minutes later, it would be, so this was 25, 30, 35. So now it is 10:35, and this hour hand is going to move a little bit closer to the 11. But we still go with the smaller number, 10:35. Okay, so I need to fix my digital clock or my phone screen or computer screen to say 10:35. Okay, now let's make our clock say 12:55. So I'm going to move my hour hand to the 12. Now if I move this all the way to the 55, that means my minute hand would need to go all the way around to the 11. So this hour hand is actually going to be very close to the 1, but not quite there. So we pick, this is the case where the 12 is actually the bigger number. So we're actually going to go to the 12 on this one. That's the only time you're going to go to the bigger number. So right now it is 12:55. So my digital clock will look something like this. The hour is 12. It is 55 minutes past 12. Okay, so now if I say the movie starts at 12:55 and Sally got up to get a snack in 30 minutes. Okay, so you have to start counting at this number. I'm going to count 30 minutes. Remember, each section between numbers is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So when she got a snack, it was, okay, so something happened. When this minute hand moved to the 12, it actually became 1 o'clock. That was only 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So now it is actually 1:25. So anytime your minute hand passes the 12, your hour hand is going to move up a number. So now if we say the movie was over in 40 minutes, let's say 45 minutes. So if this is going to go around 45 minutes, when it gets to the 12, I have to move my hour hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now it's 2 o'clock. 40, 45. Okay, so the hour and the minute hand both end up close to the 2. So 5, 10, it is something 10. Well, we go to the smaller number, it is 2, 10. So anytime your minute hand passes the 12, your hour hand moves to the next number. the next biggest number, 210. So I'll do one more example. So if it takes you 55 minutes to drive to the K-State football game, and you leave at 2:10. So we're going to count 55. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We got to the 12, so we have to move an hour. 55. So it is, when you get to the football game, it will be 3:05. So when we point to the 1, we have to say 05. We don't just say 35. Doesn't really make sense. Okay, so 3:05.